What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy. We have a little Lego haul today. I got my son involved and it kind of got a little hectic, so I forgot to do an opening because once I opened the box, he started in. So I wanted to do a separate intro just to, kind of start off the video, give you a look at the city from the my custom Avengers tower. I don't really do this view very often, but yeah, kind of go around the room with some of the parts on the table. And it's the new shelving over there that we're slowly filling up. A new project right there. We'll get to later on in another video once it's done. And yeah, so let's get started.
Box.
Okay, put it on the ground.
Okay.
I'll put it right here. All right, let's open it up.
Okay.
Put your hands back. I don't want to be careful. All right, now that we've got it open, I'll let you open it up.
Wow.
What all we get?
Oh.
So we got a Spider-Man,
Oh no.
a new Spider-Man.
Wow.
What else did we get? We got a bunch of keychains. We got some that were on sale on the Lego website. Oh, these are brand new ones. The new Groot and Spider-Gwen. What other ones? Oh, we got a Loki. I don't even have a Loki minifig. I need to get one. Could just buy another one of these and pull the keychain top out. I'm surprised the fabric is on a keychain. I wouldn't think that would last very long. Hold on, son. We're going way too fast. Oh, yeah, this was one that was on sale. All right, so what did we get? Oh, we got the new steamroller. That just released in January. We'll add that to the construction set. Let me see this one.
No, with the meter.
You want to show everybody? So we got another camel. I think we may buy a few more of those and have some camels on the farm. Let's see what else we got. Oh, the new dragon set. That was the gift with purchase. Year of the Dragon. I bet we'll get a lot more dragons. I'm sure we'll get a lot more dragons this year. What's that last set we got? You didn't show us one.
Okay.
The Mario set.
No, make it two.
Okay. The 2 Yoshi pack. Paying $10, it's hard to pass that up.
Cheese.
Cheese? All right, I got it all set up because I know that was kind of hectic with my son. Kind of, his first time. He loves opening the stuff and showing it off. So, yeah, he may be a YouTuber one day later, years from now. But anyway, here's what we got. We ended up getting 6 keychains. 2 of them were on sale. The Harry Potter stuff, I think it was like $2 off, so it's hard to pass up on those. The other 4 here are brand new, just released on January 1st. The other 3 sets here, all January 1st releases. And then our gift with purchase, if you spent $75, that's what you got. So there's what we got there. I got another haul that I didn't show and ended up getting a 6-pack of the minifigs. I'll open this in another video. We'll just blow through them. And I got a bunch of parts, just enough to reach that $75 mark. So I got 2 of them. Might build one, might save one, I might trade one in up at the minifig shop up in St. Louis. They buy back Lego. I might save it for a couple years because if you go back and look at some of these, they go for like $60 or $70 from the ones pre-COVID era versions of these. Like I think the mouse maybe in 2017 or 15. $75 or so for some of them. So I've got 2 or 3 different ones. I don't really collect them. It's not really my thing. You can't collect it all, so who knows? I might save them both. I'm not really a big collector of them, but they're cool to have. The other thing I got here, this is an order. My order from Lego on Black Friday. Or no, the week before. So let's open it up. because I honestly have forgotten what some of the stuff is. I know some of this is, oh, see, there's something I'd forgot. So we got some tree elements. This is the big thing I knew. Now these are all pieces that had to come from Denmark, so it took almost 2 months. Wow. So these half circle things, 1x2s, because this piece here is not made in a 1x4 yet in brown, the reddish brown. Yeah, I'm gonna make a log cabin. That's why I bought, I think there's $30 here in just these pieces. And there's some 1x's in here and the 2x's. I'm hoping this is enough to make a log cabin. Looking at it like this, I think I'm gonna need double this. And I bought them off of the Lego website, because when you try to get on Bricklink, people want 40 something cents, 41 cents for one of these. I mean, how many, realistically, I'm not going to spend $200 on just these things, knowing I'm going to end up spending another $100 probably in parts to actually build a log cabin, with this just being the facade outer covering. So yeah, possibility I might end up building something, replacing my farmhouse on my farm with kind of a rustic log cabin, a 2-story cabin with a big vaulted front ceiling, window, and deck. That's what I'm thinking. See if there's anything else in here. I don't think there is. No, there is not. So, I forgot. I knew I got one other thing. I don't think there's any other parts in here. Yeah, just the 1x2s. And I'm pretty sure I got some 1x1s, just a couple of them in here. Anyway, that's the haul. Check out my other videos, guys. Oh yeah, this was another thing I got off Bricklink. I got another 10-pack of these. I think there's 10 in here. These are the Scout uniforms. These were on the Lego Pick and Build minifigure buildable figure thing in the Lego stores. I want to say last year, sometime in 2023, early in the year. It may have even been late 2022. But you could get the torsos with the merit badge sashes. So you got 10 more of them to go with my Scout Camp custom build. So we're going to add some more Scouts to the farm. And then as part of the order that came in, I ended up getting some extra heads, different legs. So we'll get that done. And with that, I think we'll call it a video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your views. Check out my other videos, and we'll see you next time.